Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's Make It Monday. This week we are going to be doing a really fun project. We are going to be making bouncy balls. This project is part Make It Monday and part science, and I'll give you some really cool tips and tricks and some ideas to do this at home. So for this project, you are going to need some borax, you're going to need some cornstarch, you're going to need some water, some glue, some spoons, measuring teaspoons, and just some cups to mix things. So for the very first step, you are going to take half a cup, 4 ounces of warm water, and you're going to add it to one of these cups, just like this. And then you are going to add 1 teaspoon of borax. And you're going to take that teaspoon and you're going to put it right in the warm water, just like this. Once you do that, you're just going to kind of mix it all up. This is just like the start to a messy play Saturday. So you're going to dissolve the borax in this warm water, and the warm water is what is going to dissolve it, and it's going to look like this. All right, you can set that aside. Now you are going to take the other cup and you are going to add 1 tablespoon of glue. I have some fun glue here. This one is glow-in-the-dark glitter glue, so that'll make this project really fun later. Going to add 1 teaspoon, just like this, and you're going to put it in the cup. Okay, just like this. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add it to the cup. And you're going to add a half a teaspoon, I'm just going to give it another really quick stir, of this borax water solution. And I'm going to put it in here into the cup. And then you're going to just let it sit for about 10 seconds. So while we're letting this sit, I'm going to let you know that on September 14th, we are going to be giving you all of the ingredients to try this at home. So you'll get some glitter glue, you're gonna get cornstarch, some borax. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So it's been sitting, and it should probably look something like this. It doesn't really look like anything. You're gonna take one of these spoons and you're gonna just start mixing it. These are actually the same ingredients that you can use for slime, but we used more cornstarch, so it wouldn't be slimy, it would form into a ball. And you can see I'm mixing it, and you really want to mix this until you can't mix it anymore. This looks pretty good. I've got it all incorporated. So once it kind of forms like this, you're going to take it out, and everybody knows this is my favorite part of messy play, is just start kneading it. It's going to be really sticky when you get started. See, you can see it on my fingers. That's okay. The more you play with it, the less sticky it's going to be. I'm going to roll it just like this, and as you can see, as I play with it more, it actually all comes off my hands. And then you want to make sure that you can kind of roll this into a ball. And it should look like this. Now, we were playing with this before we started recording today, and we already made one. We made a blue one, and like I said, we use glow in the dark, so this will be fun if we turn the lights off later. It should look like this, and you can see it bounces. We also played with it a little, and this is something that would be fun to do at home. Mix up the ingredients. See how much cornstarch, how much borax solution, how much glue you can add to make it bounce even further. And that would be a fun part of the experiment. You can see this one we added more cornstarch and a little more glue, and that one bounces a little bit differently than this one. So I would love to know what you think of this experiment, and I'd love to know if you play with it. Let me know how high you can get the ball to bounce. See how long you can get the bounce to stay in it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please let us know on the Instagram page, and we'd love to hear from you. I will be back in a couple of weeks. We're gonna take a few weeks off to prepare for fall, but I will be back again soon with some more fun Make It Monday projects. Have a great week and have a great rest of your month.